ACL English Center for Language.
Is Mohammed Abdul Khan. I am from Karbi. Today is my topic about importance of time. Time is very important for everywhere. If snake caught you, so this time is very important. And I have one point. If you went to station and this time you have no time, so time is you have no time. So you lost the train. And thank you so much.
Excuse me, I have a question. You said that and you are on station, railway station, and you have no time, and so the train will lost. So it is not. It is depends on you. It is not depends on time, yeah. It is depends on if you went to station before 2 hours and 3 hours, so you can take it. So how can you say the time? It is main role of time. It is not main role of time. It is main.
I have only one time.
So please give me first of my answer, then he will ask.
We have one time.
I said
When
time is very important. But you late in your home, so you reach station late. So the train was lost.
I was not asking that question. And I asked that it depends on you because and if you reach that station before 2 hours, so it is depends on of human. It is not depends on time. So how can you say it? It is my question. And that is
Sir, may I speak about this point?
Yes, yeah, of course.
We just wanna try to speak about the time, how many important time. Just you wanna say that just ask from that person who lost the train because of time. But you are trying to okay. Just you are trying to properly from at home out. It was his problem that he lost his train because of time. His point is that time is most important.
but the time can maintain by human, yeah. By human.
It can be maintained, but he's not trying to tell to you that I reached there. He's not telling. He's telling that just ask from that person who lost his strength because of 1 minute.
Now I get it. But you were saying that I was pushing his leg, but I was not pushing it. I was questioning, yeah.
Yeah, it's also like good question, but
I got something others. So then I asked him, yeah.
Yeah, it was very good, but he was trying to say that
When you were saying that and you were saying very better, you were telling very better. So that time I had no question to ask you because the topic was very nice.
I want to say one point. I think it is a laziness of that person who has missed his train.
There
There is no relation of time and money.
So I was asking that type question
Because everyone has 24 hours in a day.
Yeah.
Everyone has. And someone says that I have no time. Someone says that I have lots of time.
You have any problem?
I have another point.
No, I don't. You said
Now
that
both of you sit down.
You said that
Next
a person has gone to station and he has missed his train. So there's a role of time. I want to ask you that a person who has gone to station and he has lots of time, but he has no ticket. So how will he go?
Yeah.
without ticket, he will not go on this station.
Yeah.
Well, like he's going down.
Suppose that.
Yeah, so that's why he didn't spoke about that.
He said only and only there is a role of time. I think there is a role of money also.
I think he was just trying
Because time and money both will help you to reach there.
Yeah, that's by the ticket you will go and the ticket is purchased by the money. So I'm not talking about that. I'm just trying to say that he went there. He was just trying to tell us about the importance of time. So I think he just wanna try to tell us that a fellow who went to station, he left his train because of 1 minute. Like suppose that he did say about 1 minute, the importance of that 1 minute he wants to try to tell us. Like if he reached there earlier 1 minute, he gets his train. But the importance of 1 minute he lost his train.
There people, may I ask some questions?
Yeah.
He was just he spoke something wrong.
His way of taking was not good.
Yeah, yeah. That's
But
like, yeah,
his sense was good.
yeah.
You are speaking less than clear.